Hi and welcome to Play Tutorials. So today we are going to look into zones. It's a short introduction to zones and how to create standard layout zones and custom zones. So for all of you guys who want to know more about zones, we did a video a while ago where we go into depth with how zones work and how you figure out how big your different zones or subzones are calculated. But this video is just creating zones. So I'm going to start by creating a standard layout zone setup. And well, it's very easy. Create playlist, give it a name. Pick your aspect ratio and pick one of our predefined layouts and hit create. And when you do that, Play will create your master and your sub playlists. In this case, one master, 3 sub playlists. And really all you gotta do is update your content in those 3 playlists. And when that's done, you're ready to assign it to a group. The master playlist has already been set up. The duration of the slide is set to forever, which it's supposed to be. The background is set to black, and all of your sub playlists has been placed on the canvas. When this is done, your content is done. You go to groups and schedules. You find your group and you simply choose standard layout playlist and hit publish. So that's very easy. Now, doing custom zones is not that easy, but it's close. So before I create my zones, I'm just gonna give you a quick overview of what I'm going to do. So I'm going to create a master playlist. I'm going to create that with a full HD resolution, 1920 x 1080. You cannot use aspect ratio when you're creating custom zones, only resolution. I'm going to create a content playlist, a right playlist, and a footer playlist. So let's move out of this one. And let's start by creating our master. (1920 x 1080). Create. Then our content, which is 1320 x 880. Our right playlist, 600 x 880. And finally our footer at the resolution of 1920 to 100. So as you can see, I have my master and my 3 sub playlists. And what I'm going to do now to visualize how this works is create some content for all 3 sub playlists, and then after that we'll discuss how we put it all together in the master and assign it to the group. So now I've created my content for the content zone, the right side, the right column zone, and the footer zone. So what we need to do now is update our master playlist. So I'm going to start by making the background black. Then I will set it to play forever. And then we simply add those playlists we want. And as you can see, a playlist, even though it's created by resolution, it doesn't fit. It's not a match when you put it onto the canvas, because you actually have the opportunity to use these playlists anywhere, so you can scale them as you want. Now that's it. When the master is done, you set the duration, you set the background, and you put on those subzones that you need. You don't have to go into your master ever again. So all I gotta do now is go to groups and schedules, find my group, pick master as my base playlist, and hit publish. That's it for now. You know where to find us if you have any questions. Thank you.